Hi, I'm Dan with Service Photo, and today we're going to do a Photo Basics with Dan talking about aperture. Here I have a Canon R8 with a EF 50 1.2 on with an adapter, and we're going to go through showing you some of the examples of different apertures and how that affects your photography. Aperture, also set as f-stops, is how much light is actually coming into the camera. This particular lens goes from f22 to f1.2. But remember, most of the numbers in photography are backwards, so 1.2 is actually the largest aperture we can do with this lens, and that's a lot of light coming in. Aperture defines how much light is coming into the lens, but it also dictates your depth of field, or how much you can have in focus in any one time. Here we're going through different f-stops, going from the largest f-stop, 1.2, to the smallest f16. With that, you can see that while we're focused on the centerpiece, the pieces around the center are getting more and more in focus as we go to our smaller apertures. As well as you can see, we have less background blur the higher we go up the aperture train. Learning how to balance your aperture, your shutter speed, and your ISO is just the first steps into learning how to make great photos. So go play with aperture and see what you like to do, because once you figure out your settings and how you like to take photos, that becomes your photo style. This is Dan with Photo Basics.